Is a new romance in midlife really here to save you? The TV drama A Good Life is catching attention everywhere. In the story, 39-year-old Hu Manli spent her life working hard to reach success. But just when she thought she had it all, her husband Zhiyuan betrayed her. His new lover, Qiu Lisu, even mocked Hu Manli to her face. Ding tried to come back, saying Hu's kindness was like light, but her strength felt like a cage. Their 20-year marriage ended with a rushed divorce. In the end, it was clear Qiu Lisu had used Ding for her own benefit. He regretted it, but it was too late. This story feels all too familiar. Many women in midlife face a sudden, new romance after a breakup or during a rough marriage. These new people seem caring, romantic, like they're saving you. But are they? Research shows most adult relationships involve value exchange, emotional, financial, or social. Sometimes when successful women attract new partners, those people may be drawn not just to love but to connections, money, or status. In the drama, Qiu Lisu had her own reasons. She had been married twice, gained wealth from a past husband, and saw Ding Zhiyuan well known and respected as a way to lift her company. She got close to him, won his trust, and used him for her benefit. Sadly, Ding only realized the truth after giving up his family. This teaches us what seems romantic may hide hidden agendas, especially in midlife, when women have built careers, families, and wealth. Their value is often targeted. Many couples appear stable but are held together by shared assets or habits, not love. When problems arise, things can fall apart fast. In fact, over 60% of midlife divorces involve money disputes. So, what can women around 50 learn from Hu Manli? She was heartbroken, but didn't fall apart. She focused on her own strength, rebuilt her career, and didn't rush into another relationship. She didn't accept empty promises from her ex, or a sweet confession from a new admirer. She stayed calm and smart. She realized that only by letting go of the wrong person can you truly take charge of your life. Her belief? At 40 and beyond, success comes from staying steady. Midlife is in the end, it's a new beginning. She lived by her own pace, focused on self-growth, and protected her peace. Here's how women over 50 can do the same. Keep a clear mind. Don't fall for sweet talk. Think deeply before trusting someone new. Understand others' motives. Not everyone who's kind has pure intentions. Protect your home. Treasure your family. Communicate. Support each other. And don't take loved ones for granted. Stay true to yourself. Don't chase material things. Know your values and hold your ground. Midlife brings many challenges but also chances for growth. As we've seen in Hu Manli's story and in real life, a new romance may not be a rescue, but by staying strong, clear-headed, and centered, you can become your own savior.